How to add featured products on Shopify. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can add a featured products on your Shopify. This featured products menu is especially useful if you have a lot of products to sell. For example, if you have a clothing store in your Shopify, you can change the featured products in your homepage to match your campaigns or seasons. So, for example, here in Dawn theme, it is especially easy for us to change our featured products because the featured collection section is already added by default to the Dawn theme. Now, what I want to do is to change the featured products section over here to become a seasonal special. So, for example, now is fall, so I would want to change the featured products title here to fall special. And as the years, as the months go by, I will change the heading again to match with the season. So, for example, in the winter, I will change this to winter special. This is just an idea on how you can configure your featured products, your featured collection. Uh, Again, you can also make this featured products to show your flagship product or maybe your newest product. It is up to you. Okay, so let's start. Now, in the featured collection menu here, you need to access the settings of this section. So click on the blue ribbon over here on the featured collection. And you can see that on the left side, we have our typical settings for sections in Shopify, and we will play around with that. Okay, so for the heading, we already have added the fall special. For the description, maybe I will add the extra stylish this fall. Okay, so that is cool. Now, this is one of the most important member of your featured collection setting, which is the collection. Now, I want to add collections in my Shopify online store based on seasons so that I can change up the content of this featured collection section with the collections that I have that is based on seasons. So let's create a new collection. All right. Now, once you've clicked create new collection, you will be redirected to the create collection menu in the Shopify admin. Let's call this fall special. Now, on the fall special collection that we have, you can add the products manually or you can automate the collections. So if you click automate it, what this does is that Shopify will populate your products to the collection that you're going to create. But that is not what we want to do. We want to add it manually so you can choose by yourself, maybe with a outfit that you've made that you want to sell as a bundle maybe to your customers this fall. Okay, so let's add products now. To add your product, let's go to first we must save our collection, and once we've saved our collection you can add products into this collection. So let's go ahead and go to products. So I want to add my shirt into my collection on fall collection, and I also want to add the corduroy pants that I have. By the way, these two products are taken from CJ dropshipping. If you're interested in dropshipping using Shopify, go ahead and find the video on how to do so. Okay, as you can see, earth colors, very cool, and this will look stylish on fall. That's why I add them. Now, once we had our desired product to our new collection, let's save it. And now it's saved. Now you can also have the option to add images for your collection's title, but in this case, I am going to skip it. Now let's view our online store again. And as you can see, the fall special collection is already added to our online store. Okay, so the next step is to go back to the editor and let's change the collection. Okay, let's reload this page first so that our newly made collection is displayed on the collections list. And we will choose our fall collection. All right. Now scroll down in the featured collection settings. Oops. And once you've scrolled down under this collection menu, click change and click change collection. And let's choose the fall special and click select. All right. So somehow it reverts our fall collection. So let's rewrite it fall special and look extra stylish this fall. Exclamation mark. Okay. Now I think this is already pretty cool for Shopify to enable us to do this natively without any apps. Now, if you want to step up your featured products game, there are a few things that we can play with. Now, we can add a quick checkout button here so that your customers can go ahead and check out instantly from the homepage. You can do so by scrolling all the way down, and you can click on the toggle enable quick add button. Okay, so you can also show the product rating if you have the rating on your product. I think it will also help convert sales. And you can change the image shape to better suit your theme. So for example, I have the default image shape here, but I can also make them an arch, a blob. Now I think the arch uh, image shape here is best if you have an item that is small and carry on a consumable item like maybe shampoos or etc. Okay, so down, if you scroll down again, you can see the options to change your mobile layouts and enable swipe on mobile and etc. And like other sections in your Dawn theme, you can also change the color in your this specific section, which is the featured collection. Okay, so if you change the color scheme, like right now we have the scheme 2 color scheme applied to this section. If we change this to scheme 5, maybe it will look differently and it will change the appearance of the featured collection that we have. Okay, so that is all from me. That is how you make and configure your featured collection section in Shopify Dawn theme. Thank you very much.